we explore the deep northern parts of the Kings River.
Something just threw a rock at me.
It sounded like someone's crying, dude. Right there. There it is, right there.
Yeah, I heard it over there. I think it's right.
I hear it rocking.
On a rock?
Oh! Look at the response.
Is there a road we can follow? Right here? Look it!
What is it?
That same deer that we saw last time? Huh? Yeah, there you go, right there. Are you sure it's a deer?
Remember the last deer we came coming?
Huh?
The last deer we came coming?
Remember, it's like it's awfully fast that we come see a deer, right? That's awfully quick. What was that?
Those are people. Oh yeah, what is it? The eye shine?
Yeah. Exactly what that is.
Stay still, dumb.
Keep walking towards it.
Can't. Damn camera won't focus. There it is, right there.
Yeah, I heard it over there. I think it's coyotes or dogs, no? No. Looks right at us over there. You see it? Woo! Woo!
I think it's the deer.
I don't think that deer moved that fast.
No, deers can move. It looks like a deer, right?
See the body? See
Yeah.
the body going down in front?
I think that's the
It's
deer.
a deer.
I think it could have walked
It's
this
a
way.
deer. It's a deer. I can get it right now.
It's looking right at us, so.
Yeah, it's a deer. Dude, the green glowing eyes on camera look so creepy. It's like something out of Scooby-Doo.
Yeah, you're right. I see the deer now.
There's two of them.
Is
There's
there?
another one over here. See it?
Oh, see, you're right. That's gunshot.
Yep.
Yeah.
Is that what you're hearing, Kristen?
Yep. You're shining the light back on that deer?
Where?
That one.
Right
There's
there?
another one. There was another one right over here.
Shine back on that one deer.
Wait, how?
Camera doesn't like the
Let's walk this
focus.
way. Come on.
Fishing. I think that was them. I hear dogs or coyotes. Oh man. This one's deteriorated. Oh, check it out. They're all the way over there. There's lights all the way up there. I wonder if that's where the gunshots are coming from. heard something.
Did you guys hear that?
I heard that.
Huh?
I heard that.
What?
I heard something.
It was a scream, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I hear howling.
Huh?
Said I hear howling. Hang on a second, hang on. Hang on. Something's howling.
B20?
Yes. It sounded like someone's crying.
It's either howling or moaning.
It sounded like someone's crying, dude. Right there.
There it is.
Sounded like La Llorona.
Yeah, I did too.
You did?
I heard the crying. See, I told you.
I got it on record.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I heard the crying.
It was clear as day.
Yeah.
It was like right? Yeah. I heard humming.
Mac J. I think he said Mac J.
Is that you humming?
No.
Unless there was something like that. I thought I heard humming.
Does your dad know he's not going to win if he gets there first?
I think he just wants to see the trucks. Make sure nothing.
He got ate by a coyote. We're on the trail. Ew, you smell that?
Mm-hmm.
Ew. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I don't smell anything.
He's dead, right?
Yeah. I
Dead?
don't smell anything. Ew. That's gross.
That means there's something dead right here somewhere.
Yeah. I don't know what you guys are smelling.
Mike, you smell death?
I smell something.
Smell
I
like
don't know.
Hold it down, hold it down.
That's what he gets for walking so damn far. Mm-hmm.
Ew. I don't want to throw up. I don't want to throw up.
Was it that strong?
Yeah, it's nasty. I don't know what you guys smell.
Your mom is dying over here.
That's why I asked her if she was okay. No, it was nasty. Ugh.
Oh, my battery was gonna die. There's a bench right there that overlooks the water, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's got to be the river, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it got cold again.
Mm-hmm.
So I wonder.
Should we go look? Fuck it, let's go down there. It might be a Bigfoot.
I might find that dead smell that.
Ooh, you saw that?
Something just threw a rock at me. I kid you not.
You missed it. Your dad just said.
I know, yeah, I heard it from here.
You heard the rock?
No,
Oh,
I heard him say it.
It was right by me.
That's what you get for walking so far.
Something threw a rock at me right now. And it sounded like this. Come here. And I thought I could pick it. But I looked around and went, there's no rocks. And it sounded like this. I kid you not. Give me a Bible right now and I'll swear on it. I was walking right where the sign was at, right here. And I had this off. And then all of a sudden it went. And I thought I kicked it, but there's no rocks to kick. And it wasn't a big rock. It sounded like this. Like that. And then I looked over here to see if I could see any rock that I kicked. So it probably came in from this way. So it came in from here. That's why I wanted you guys to come over here with me. It landed right on me. It landed right by me, dude. That's when I yell at you guys, get over here.
Beatrice was over there throwing up because she smelled something dead.
Who's throwing up?
Beatrice.
Really?
Yeah.
I smelt it.
No, I swear. I thought when I heard it, it go.
Well, maybe
I
that
stopped.
dead smell was it walking over there
I
and it
stopped
threw the
and I
rock.
said, did I kick a rock? But I'm going, no, because there's no rocks over here on the road.
That dead smell was the Bigfoot.
What a trip. So I know I didn't kick it because I didn't see any rocks over here, so it had to come this way and it landed in the dirt. And I stopped, I went, did I kick one? I'm going, no, because there's no rocks right here in the middle. So I picked one up and I threw it on the ground like I heard it. And it wasn't a big one, it was like that.
You're shining your light down the
Dude,
road.
I swear, dude. Something threw a rock at me. They weren't trying, I mean, I didn't have this light on. I just thought it was walking away.
Kick rock? Maybe like Christian said, maybe that's what she smelled was the Bigfoot.
right?
See all this right here in front of us?
Okay.
That dam.
Yep. They probably did that. Well, forestry, not forestry, but
Whoever in charge of this.
you know what though? Bigfoot could be right in here. We never know. I mean,
It's really wooded over there.
okay.
Where they went, it's really wooded.
Yeah. So you know what? It could. I mean, it could be in one of these, and it probably whistled at them in one of these bushes. And the only way we'd ever be able to figure it out is if we had a flare. Pick up heat sinking and go that way. I think this is buried right here. I mean, seriously, look. That's an island right there, right? It could easily be in that island, and it was whistling from them. It was whistling at them on that island. Easy. He's got to be in there.
Eye shine.
Huh?
Eye shine over here to your right. Behind those sticks,
Right there?
I think. Can't tell though.
Right there on the ground?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, seriously, I bet you he's right in there. That's where he was whistling from. It's hard to say. I think it's like, I don't know, I don't think it's ice. And see, no one, or even that, no, right in there, that's a fucking island. Man, I would love to go over there.
I thought I heard something walking. This way.
In here.
Something walking.
Somebody walking?
Yeah.
How far? I can't wait.
It's walking right now. Hey, stop that. Hold on. I hear it walking.
On rocks?
Huh? No, it's like stepping on branches.
Really close?
It stopped. See if I... The hell?
What do you hear?
Something walking. Something heavy? I can't tell.
Or something over there. Is that what you see?
Maybe.
Huh?
That's a truck. That's a car. What I'm hearing is actually footsteps. So something is over here because when I'm pointing the mic this way, I can hear it.
Should I start over here? Should we?
Go that way.
Hold on, let me put the key to my pocket.
Because we're not moving.
No.
And there's something I hear footsteps over here.
Should I turn on the light?
No, no, no. Keep it off. Just walk slow.
Well, if it can't be a person, because there's no flashlight, they wouldn't be walking in the dark. Is it walking?
Slowly.
No, no. Do you hear it? Yeah. What are we gonna do?
Let it get closer. It's slowly walking. Let's get closer. So let's get closer. This one. I'll do whoop.
Do not.
Oh!
What?
I heard a response.
You hear?
A window?
Really? You hear that, Mike? Are you responding?
Do it again. Do it only once. Unless it was water, but dude, it sounded like a rock clanking. Whatever I was hearing walking before entirely stopped,
Should we light it up? See?
I guess.
All right, light it up. So if you heard it in walking in the shrub, probably walking in there, huh?
No.
Did it sound
It
like
was louder when we were by the river.
Yeah? And that means it was probably over here then. Or we
No.
passed it. Huh? No?
Because I was pointing the mic this way, or wherever we were, towards this way.
Whoop!
That's a car. They're looking for wet footprint?
That's a white dog. What the heck?
I don't know, it looks like it's stained on it. It wasn't like wet.
Look at all the bats.
They're everywhere out there. Getting the bugs.
Well, let's start heading back.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go.
Listen.
What?
Listen this way over here. I heard something screech twice. It sounded like a bird, but I haven't heard it since. A loud screech. I thought Christian would have heard it with that.
It's wet right here.
Sure is.
See how it's all wet?
Mm-hmm. Is that rock wet?
I just touched it. It felt like crazy.
Oh shit! Maybe it's the oil from the fur. Cause that's fucking water.
Oh, that's drenched. What about over here, though? It's a little wet right here, though. It's like moisture right here.
Moisture, but right here's a lot though. I can
And
see it.
and the grass is laid down.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but that right there is like, that's weird.
There's something was laying right there. That's what Christian would walk up. Came up this way, huh?